how to balance redox reaction. Now there are two ways to balance redox reaction. First one is oxidation number method and second one is ion electron method. Let's first start how to balance a redox reaction with oxidation number method. Here we will take an example of MnO4. MnO4 plus SO3 gives MnO4 plus SO4. So step 1, balance the equation except oxygen and hydrogen. Here you can see that the reaction is already balanced. So we will avoid the first step. Step 2, write the oxidation number of each element. Here I have already written that oxidation number of each element. So Mn plus 7, minus 2, plus 4 and so on. Step 3, find the net loss and the net gain of electrons. So now as you can see that the oxidation number of Mn changes from plus 7 to plus 6. That is, there is a gain of 1 electron. Comparatively, in sulfur, there is a loss of electrons. Here you can easily calculate, that is 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. That is loss of 2 electrons. Step 3 is nothing about but to write net loss and net gain. So net loss is 2 electrons and net gain is 1 electron. Now step 4, we need to take the LCM of the net loss and net gain. Now step 4, taking their LCMs. Here you can see that the net loss is 2 electrons while net gain is 1 electron. So our main aim of balancing the redox reaction is that the net loss should be equal to the net gain of electrons. So here we need to balance this. So as we can find their LCM, LCM is 2 electrons, that is multiplying by 1 to the net loss and multiplying to the 2 to the net gain. Now we will see the step 5, balancing the main equation. Now here you can see that we need to step 5, balancing the main equation. Here as we can see there is a gain of 1 electron while there is a loss of 2 electrons. So we need to match this gain and loss of electrons so that we get balanced equation. So we can just multiply the LCM, that is 2 into MnO4 minus 1 plus SO3 minus 2 gives 2 MnO4 minus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. So we are half of the way done, that is balancing the charges. Now the second step, that is balancing oxygen and hydrogen. So this can be achieved as, now here as you can see in LHS, how many oxygens are there? That is 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. While in the RHS, we have 4 into 2, 8 and 8 plus 4, 12. So we need one more extra oxygen. So the problem of oxygen is solved, but here 2 hydrogen ions are increased. So in order to match this, we will just add 2 H plus ions in the RHS, that is, and here H2O. So this is the final balanced chemical equation obtained. Give an example of oxidation number method where there is a basic medium. We have already seen acidic medium. Acidic medium, it's easy because the answer can be left in H plus ions. However, in basic medium we cannot do so. So I will just give a short explanation of how to do it. Up to this step we are all able to balance. However, after then there is a bit slight change. So let us see what it is. So it is that MnO4 minus 1 plus Br minus 1 gives MnO2 plus BrO3 minus 1. So here we can get that here we can notice in LHS there are 4 into 2, 8 oxygen, and here there are only 7 oxygen. So what we will do is plus H2O in this side. So in order to balance hydrogen ions, we will do again here on LHS plus 2H plus ions. But as we know it is a basic medium, we need to remove H plus ions. So here there is a factor of 2. So we will again take 2 OH plus ions on LHS as well as on RHS, so that it is again gets balanced. We know 2H plus ions plus 2 OH minus ions gives 2H2O. Therefore this term and this term will get cancelled. This term and this term will get cancelled. And finally we will have one H2O in the LHS because this is 2 and this is 1. Therefore H2O plus 2MnO4 minus 1 plus Br minus 1 gives 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus 1 plus 2OH. Okay, so let's see the another way, that is by ion electron method. Here I have taken another example. H2C2O4 plus MnO4 minus 1 gives CO2 plus Mn plus 2. Here as you can see, this reaction is not balanced. So the major function is to balance this, which I will tell it later. So first step is the usual one, that is writing the oxidation number and where it is going oxidation and where it is going reduction. Okay, but step 2 is different. We need to term it into two ways, that is oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Oxidation half reaction, which substance is oxidizing, that is H2C2O4 gives CO2, and a reduction half reaction, that is MnO4 gives Mn plus 2. Now we will balance this equation. Okay, so here C is carbon is 2 and carbon here it is 1. So we will just put here 2. And rest all I think it is balanced. Mn. Okay. So step 3, balance oxygen and hydrogen with H2O and H plus. That is oxidation half reaction. Here we have hydrogen 2, but here we don't have anything. So we need to just add 2 H plus ions. Similarly, in reduction half reaction, we have MnO4 minus 1 and another side Mn plus 2. That is, here oxygen is 4, but here it is null. So plus 4 H2O. So again, to balance the hydrogen to the LHS, we need to again add plus 8 H plus. Let's move to the step 4, that is balance the charges such that we can add electrons to the right and in oxidation half reaction and to the left reduction half reaction. Now here as you can see the squared to the oxidation number, that is carbon is getting oxidized from plus 3 to plus 4. So what will be the net oxidized plus 2e? Now you will be asking that here there is a difference of only 1 electron, so why it is 2 electrons? But as I have already mentioned, we need to balance this reaction. So that is one carbon is getting oxidized to 1 electron, so therefore 2 carbon atoms will oxidize to 2 electrons. Similarly, in reduction half reaction, it will be 5 electrons, that is 7 minus 2 is equals to 5 electrons. Therefore, step 5, we get to know that we will be multiplying the LCM to get the same electrons on the oxidation as well as reduction. Therefore, 5 H2C2O4 is equal, that is, it gives 10 CO2 plus 10 H plus 10 electrons, that is multiplying by 5, and here we will multiplying by 2. Therefore 2 MnO4 minus 1 plus 16 H plus 10 electrons gives 2 Mn plus 2 plus 8 H2. That is, we have multiplied 2 here and multiplied 5 by 5 here. Concluding statement, that is 5 H2C2O4 gives 10 CO2 plus 10 H plus 10 electrons, and other, that is 2 MnO4 minus 1 plus 16 H plus ions plus 10 electrons gives 2 Mn plus 2 plus 8 H2O. This is what we have done in the last step. So the net cell reaction is nothing but addition of this step and this step, that is plus 5 H2CO4 plus 2 MnO4 minus 1. Here one thing will get cancelled out, that is this 10 electrons and 10 electrons. Okay, and this 16 H plus will as it is, and to the RHS it will come as 10 CO2 plus 10 H plus 2 Mn plus 2 plus 8 H2O. Next, further we can even cancel this 16 H plus ions and 10 H plus ions. That is, this is the greater value, therefore 6 H plus ions will be left on LHS. So the final net cell reaction will be 5 H2C2O4 plus 2 MnO4 minus 1 plus 6 H plus gives 10 CO2 plus 10 H plus 2 Mn plus 2 plus 8 H2O. Thank you.